strongest terms possible the ill-advised decision to allow hundreds of Chinese nationals to continue jetting in and out of Kenya without adequate health checks and/or quarantine. The government advisory for the 239 passengers who jetted into the country to self-quarantine for 14 days is laughable as it is tragic. It is not lost to us that the government has refused to respond to the pleas of Kenyan citizens in China and especially the students in Wuhan to be flown home. Our government has failed its citizens abroad and is now failing the citizens at home by its reckless conduct. We urge the government to close Kenyan airspace and border points to all flights and passengers originating from China. We urge the government to establish mandatory quarantine facilities at all international border points. We urge the government to organize and finance immediate evacuation of Kenyans stranded in China and especially the students in Wuhan, and on arrival to hold them in quarantine centers within their homeland until cleared. That's what other nations are doing, and we have seen it. The recent Narok rally took the intolerance a notch higher by the ethnic profiling openly advocated by a section of leaders. The fact that the BBI drivers present at that meeting did not seek to set the record straight right there at the rally it's not only unhelpful, but also suggests that they were at peace or endorsed those divisive and unconstitutional utterances. We are aware that the ODM political party authored a letter a day after cautioning a member. This is a case of too little, too late. They needed to have done it